So to trim this cat's cradle piece, for this example I'm going to trim it to 3.5 inch square. So what you do is you line the diagonal line of the ruler along that long seam, and at the intersection here you need to line it up at 1 3/4, and that's because 1 3/4 is half of 3.5. So I've got the diagonal lined up on the seam, and I've got 1 3/4 lined up from here to here and lined up from here to here. Once it's all in place, I'm going to trim up one side and along the top. I'm now going to rotate the piece, and again I'm going to line the diagonal line along that diagonal seam, and this time I'm going to line the left and bottom edges at exactly 3.5 inches. And then I'm going to trim up one side and along the top. And that is how you trim your cat's cradle with a standard ruler.